This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Melanie Spurgeon. 169 feet waterfront home on Lake DeSoto. The gentle sloping maintenance-free lot has drip irrigation for the plants, newer covered boat dock with lift -2021. On the main level, check out the updated kitchen with all appliances coveying. This includes 2 refrigerators, washer and dryer, stove, mini ref, and micro. Primary bedroom with remodeled bathroom, 2023, lower level remodel, 2023, roof 2020, water heater 2023. For more information, review the details below or contact Melanie Spurgeon at 309-369-1770.